Attorneys David Siegel and Jesse Barrientos discuss divorce and family law. Be sure to stay tuned because at the end of this short video, you will have the opportunity to request a free copy of their book, Divorce and Family Law: Who Has the Legal Right When Things Go Terribly Wrong.
Sometimes you can reserve child support. Now you can't waive it, but you can reserve it. And what that means is we're not getting child support. There has to be a reason for that.
What would be a good reason for someone to reserve child support?
Well, one reason that's common is that somebody isn't employed. And so generally the court will make them go out and keep a job diary and look for employment and come back and report to the court. Another reason may be that during our division of property, and we talked in our last show that, for example, about the house and whatever percentage somebody's going to get. If, say, maybe there was equity in the house, and I just said $100,000 in equity, and I said, okay, well here, I'm going to give you the house with all the equity as long as you get out of my name, and in consideration for that, we're going to reserve child support. But you have to draft it very specific.
Right,
so it's
because
important.
the court wants to be careful that the child or children are provided for.
Are provided for and are taken care of, exactly.
Because that clause, there's no telling what that person's going to do with the equity, whether they're going to use it for support or not.
But that's a reason. That's a reason for
the reservation.
For the court for reservation, and because you don't want, and that's why it's important to draft. And we're talking about drafting this agreement. It's important to be very specific in there, because what happens then if you do that, and then the other person comes in for child support? Well, you better be sure that the language is very clear, that what you've done and what your income was and all that. Remember the guidelines we were.
Call now to request a free copy of the book, Divorce and Family Law. You may also call to schedule a free initial consultation, 847-520-8100, 847-520-8100.